In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product categories in Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a new shop or looking to organize your existing products better, adding categories can greatly enhance your site's navigation. So, let's get started with this process. First, you'll want to make your way over to your Squarespace account. Begin by clicking on the login button. You'll be prompted with options for logging in, and for convenience, you can click on Continue with Google. This will quickly take you through the login process provided you're already signed into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your websites. Click on the one where you'd like to add the product categories. This will take you directly to your site's dashboard. Now, to start working on your categories, navigate over to the Pages section. You can usually find this in the main menu on your Squarespace dashboard. Once there, look for the page related to your services. It might be titled something similar depending on your setup. On the page, you'll see a tiny gear icon. That's what we're going to focus on next. Click on this gear icon next to the services page. The gear icon typically signifies settings or configurations, giving you further options to tweak and adjust your site to your liking. Once inside, look for the categories option. Clicking on this will take you to the dedicated area where you manage the product categories for your site. In the categories area, you'll see an option to create a new category. Go ahead and hit that Create Category button. It's time to get creative and think about the categories that will help your customers find what they're looking for with ease. After clicking, a new field will appear where you can type in the name of the product category you wish to add. Think carefully about how you want to label these categories. Clear and descriptive category names not only look professional but help improve the shopping experience for your customers. Once you've typed in the name, make sure everything looks correct and then click on the Add button. This step will save your newly created category, and it should appear under the list where you'll be able to see all the categories you have set up. And that's it, you've successfully added product categories to your Squarespace site. Not only does this help with maintaining an organized storefront, but it also improves your site's usability, making it easier for customers to browse and find the products they're interested in. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more helpful tips on managing your Squarespace site.